Good morning, students. Today we will start with Bassanio's speech. In my school days, when I had lost one shaft, I shot his fellow of the self same flight, the self same way with more advised watch, to find the other fourth, and by adventuring both, I often found both. I urge this childhood proof because what follows is pure innocence. I owe you much, and like a wilful youth, that which I owe you is lost. But if you please to shoot another arrow that self way which you did shoot the first, I do not doubt. As I will watch the aim, or to find both, or bring you latter hazard back again, and thankfully rest debtor for the first. So Bassanio gives an example to justify the loan that he is about to ask. He says that in his younger days, when he had lost an arrow, he would shoot a second arrow in the same direction with the same force. By carefully watching the second arrow, he would sometimes find both of the arrows, and if not, then would at least find the second one. He gives his example and says that if Antonio provides him a loan, then he would repay him all the previous loans, and if not, or if he fails to do so, then he would at least repay the current one. Antonio, you know me well, and herein spend but time to wind about my love with circumstance. And out of doubt, you do me now more wrong in making question of my uttermost, than if you had made waste of all I have. Then do but say to me what I should do, that in your knowledge may be me be done, and I am pressed unto it, therefore speak. Antonio says that Bassanio is insulting him by reasoning his love with circumstances. He requests Bassanio to say what should be done, and he is ready to do it. Bassanio. In Belmont is a lady richly left, and she is fair, and fairer than that word. Of wondrous virtues, sometimes from her eyes I did receive fair speechless messages. Her name is Portia, nothing undervalued to Cato's daughter, Bruto's Portia, nor is the wide world ignorant of her worth. For the four winds blow in from every coast, renowned suitors, and her sunny locks hang on her temples like a golden fleece, which makes her seat of Belmont Clocho strand, and many Jasons come in quest of her. O my Antonio, had I but the means to hold a rival place with one of them, I have a mind presages me such thrift that I should questionless be fortunate. So Bassanio shares the news of his love Portia, who inherits all the wealth from her deceased father. He says that he have received speechless messages of love before and assured that she is in love with him too. He says that she is not less than Cato's daughter and Brutus's wife Portia, and the entire world knows about her worth. He says that if he had the money to be a competitor to other suitors, then he will surely be able to win her. Antonio, thou know that all my fortunes are at sea. Neither have I money nor commodity. To raise a present sum, therefore, go forth. Try what my credit can in Venice do, that shall be racked, even to the uttermost. To furnish thee to Belmont, to fair Portia, go presently inquire, so will I, where money is, and I no question make to have it of my trust or for my sake. So Antonio shares the fact that all his ships are at sea and he does not have anything to sell to raise the money. He therefore allows Bassanio to go to every money lender and use his goodwill to see if there is anyone who will lend the money while he does the same. Thank you and have a nice day.